Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope all are doing fine. Yes. So, have you all completed your last chapter? Yes, you are studying lesson number 5 and I hope all have completed your book and copy work also. So, today we are going to start with a new lesson and that is lesson number 6. Name of the lesson is Living Things and Non-Living Things. And it is on page number 180. You can take out page number 180 and we are going to start with our new lesson that is living things and non-living things. So first thing, yes, here is a picture for you and you can see so many different images are there. And I have written on the top living things and non-living things. Okay, so boy, donkey, flower, tree, table fan, juice, okay, flower vase and a teddy bear. So there are so many pictures. So you might be thinking what are living and what are non-living. So let's see what is living thing and what is a non-living thing. So the first thing that comes in our mind when we hear the word living thing. Living thing क्या होता है? Okay, now I have written one thing. Things that have life are called living things. अब मैम ने लिख दिया things that have life. Life means जिसमें जिंदगी होती है. Okay, life होता है आप बोलते हैं तो that is living thing. First thing that I am telling you, things that have life are known as living things. So can anybody tell me life का मतलब क्या होता है? Yes. If we see life means मैम बोल सकती है the things that breathe, सांस लेती है. If you breathe, you have life in you. Okay, जो भी चीज breathe कर सकती है that has life. So now do you understand what is living thing? क्या इससे कुछ समझ में आता है living thing कौन सी हो सकती है? Yes. Now if we go back to the same picture, you will be able to tell me which we have seen just right now. You will be able to tell me what are the living things. क्यों? क्योंकि आप बता सकते हो कौन कौन सी चीजें breathe कर सकती है, सांस ले सकती है. Like I can breathe, you can also breathe. So we are all living things. We come under the category of living things. So let's see. अब देखते हैं living things क्या क्या होती है. मैम ने आपको बता दिया living things क्या होती है जो breathe कर सकती है. So let's see. First is human beings. We all come under the category of human beings. अब human beings कौन होते हैं? जैसे कि all the people, जो भी लोग होते हैं वो human beings के category में आते हैं. इसमें you will find small children, big old people, okay, your parents, uncle, aunties, grandmother, grandparents, everybody will come under the category of human beings. Like people come under the category of human beings. And do we all breathe? ये सारे breathe करते हैं? Yes. So we all are what? We all are living things. Okay. Now it is clear to you. Living things क्या होते हैं? Yes. Living things में आते हैं human beings. अपन लोग सब human beings है. Why? Because we breathe. Next, animals. Animals लिखा है. अब यहाँ पे मैम has given one photograph of a giraffe. Giraffe breathe करता है? Yes. A dog near you, will it be breathing? Yes. So it will be what? Living thing. ये भी living thing होंगे animals. ठीक है? Next is plants. Do plants breathe? Plants breathe करते हैं? Some will say yes, some will say no. Plants, yes, plants breathe. Plants क्या breathe करते हैं? Plants अपन जो exhale करते हैं, अपन carbon dioxide छोड़ते हैं ना, तो plants breathe that and plants give us oxygen. So plants also breathe. So plants are also what? They are also living things. अब इसमें small plants भी आएंगे, big plants भी आएंगे. ठीक है? All the plants breathe. So they are also living things. अब next is small birds. Yes, I have given the pictures of birds. So do birds breathe? Yes, definitely they breathe. So birds are also what? Living things. Birds भी living है. Next. So many small insects. So, do insects breathe? Yes, they have life in them. They also breathe. So, they are also what? Living things. So, नाउ अगर कोई आपसे पूछे व्हाट आर लिविंग थिंग्स आप बता सकते हैं दैट हैव लाइफ इन देम। लाइफ कैसे है? दे ऑल ब्रीथ। अब ब्रीथ कौन कौन करता है? अपन बता सकते हैं ह्यूमन बीइंग्स, एनिमल्स, प्लांट्स, बर्ड्स, इंसेक्ट्स। दे ऑल ब्रीथ एंड दे ऑल आर लिविंग थिंग्स। ओके, नाउ लेट्स सी। एक लाइन और मैम ने दे दी है, नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स। थिंग्स दैट डू नॉट हैव लाइफ आर कॉल्ड नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स। अभी डू नॉट हैव लाइफ का मतलब जो लोग जिनके पास लाइफ नहीं होती, लाइक कैन दिस पेन ब्रीथ? ये पेन ब्रीथ कर सकता है, सांस ले सकता है? नो, सो इट इज अ नॉन लिविंग थिंग। कैन दिस ब्लैकबोर्ड ब्रीथ? ये ब्लैकबोर्ड ब्रीथ कर सकता है? नो, तो उसके पास लाइफ है? नहीं है, तो वो क्या हो गया? ब्लैकबोर्ड नॉन लिविंग थिंग। कैन दिस बॉटल? ये बॉटल है, कैन दिस बॉटल ब्रीथ? सांस ले सकती है? नो, तो this is living or non-living? This is a non-living thing. It is very easy. Okay. अब अभी आपको ये पता होना चाहिए बस it can breathe or it cannot breathe. Can this remote? I am having a remote. Okay. Can this remote breathe? सांस लेगी? No. So it does not have what? Life. इसमें life नहीं है कोई. ठीक है? So it is a non-living. Very easy. ओके, अभी मैम ने एक डिफरेंस बताया है कि ब्रीथ करता है कि नहीं ब्रीथ करता है। ओके, तो लेट्स सी। ये पिक्चर्स है सारी नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स की। बैट बॉल ब्रीथ नहीं करेगा, बास्केट, हाउस, वैन, योर स्कूल बैग, कैट। These are all the pictures of non-living things. There are many non-living things. These all things cannot breathe, so they don't have life in them. So they are non-living things. So let's see. अब living things क्या क्या करती है? Let's see in this. Okay. What all things living things can do? Living things अब मैम ने बोल दिया था life है. Okay. Living things have life in them and what? They can move. Living things क्या कर सकते हैं? Move कर सकती हैं. Okay. They can move. Like I can move. You can move. Yes. Definitely they can move. We can move from one place to another with the help of our legs. Can birds move? Yes. Birds can fly with the help of the wings. Can animals move? Yes. Animals can move with the help of their legs. And can insects move from one place to another? Yes. Insects can also move. So insects are also living things. We have seen living things can breathe. ये मैम ने आपको बता दिया है. Living things need food and water. Living things को food और water चाहिए. भूख लगती है. पर आपको भूख लगती है? Yes. So we all are living things. Animals को भूख लगती है? Yes. Plants को भूख लगती है? We water the plants. Mineral खाद डालते हैं ना उसमें? Yes. Plants also need food. And what about insects? Yes. Insects also need food. Okay. Can grow. Living things can grow. Grow मतलब बड़े भी होते हैं. Like first you were small baby, then you grow big, nursery में गए, then KG1, KG2 first, now you are in second standard. So you all are growing. So we are living things. Okay. And animals also grow. आपने एक डॉग को देखा होगा तो स्मॉल बेबी होगा तब पपी होगा, फिर वो बिग होके डॉग हो गया, है ना? In the same way birds छोटे छोटे एग्स में होते हैं, फिर वो हैच होता है वो एग और फिर उसमें से छोटे छोटे चिक्स या बर्ड्स निकलती है. ओके, एंड दे कैन रिप्रोड्यूस. रिप्रोड्यूस का मतलब यंग वंस होते हैं. ओके, जैसे ह्यूमन बींग्स को बेबीज होंगे, ठीक है, बेबीज होंगे. एनिमल्स को भी बेबीज होंगे. बर्ड्स छोटे छोटे एग्स ले करेंगे, एग्स में से न्यू यंग वंस निकलेंगे. सो we can reproduce also. So these are all the things what living things can. I told you that living things can breathe. Now here's a picture. Human beings. I told you you all are human beings. We all are human beings. All the people come under this category, and we all can breathe. सांस ले सकते हैं. So we all are living things. Yes. Animals, they can also breathe. Yes. Animals breathe. सांस लेते हैं. So animal is also a living thing. Plants, yes, definitely plants can breathe. Plants take in what? Plants अंदर लेते हैं कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड and they give us oxygen. So plants also breathe. Okay, so living things. Next is living things can move. I have shown you I am a living thing. Yes. So I can move with the help of what? Legs. You can also move. You are also living things. So human beings can move. Here it is a picture of a plant and this picture shows movement. कैसे movement शो करेगा? इसके leaves को जैसे अपन touch करेंगे, it closes itself. Close करता है. ये name of this plant is touch me not plant. छुई मुई का पौधा आप लोग हिंदी में बोलते हो, okay? Touch me not plant है ये. So it closes its leaves. So it shows movement. So it says that plants are also what? Living things. In the same way, one more plant shows movement. Sunflower. Yes, sunflower shows movement. Sunflower हमेशा अपना face it will turn towards the movement of the sun. Okay. So plants ऐसे नहीं move करते कि एक place से आज आपके garden से मेरे garden में आ जाएंगे. No, it cannot do that. Okay. एक जगह आज यहाँ उगे हुए तो कल वहाँ चले जाएंगे. It cannot do that, but it can show movement. So plants are also what? Plants are also living things. Next is animals. All animals can move. Yes, they are having legs. They can move. Can fish move? Yes. अब आप बोलोगे fish के पास तो legs नहीं है. Snakes move? Yes, उसके पास भी legs नहीं है. Then it can crawl. Okay. Fish can swim. So they are also what? Living things. Okay. Yes. Next is human beings can grow. Human beings can grow. कैसे grow होंगे humans? Like first you were small baby, फिर थोड़े big हुए, फिर और big हुए, then you started going to school. Then after some time you will start going to college also. Then you will start working. Okay, then we will grow old. Okay, so human beings can grow. We can grow. A dog, a small puppy grows into a dog. Yes, small chicks, they grow into what? Hen. Plants also grow. We have planted some seeds now for holiday homework. Yes. Now you have seen how plants grow very slowly. Okay, seed, then small plant, sapling, then big, then it grows into a big plant. Okay, so plants are also what? They are also living things because plants can also grow. Next is human beings can reproduce. Reproduce का मतलब हमने बताया था babies होना, okay, young ones होना. So your mother gives birth to you, yes, है ना? मम्मा ने birth दिया जब आप आए इस दुनिया में, yes. So we all are what? Human beings, and we are all what? Living things. In the same way, animals also reproduce. Animals के भी babies होते हैं. Plants also produce seeds. So plants are also living things. अपन लोग सब living things. Yes. Next, human beings need food and water. What? All the living things need food and water. अगर living है तो आपको food and water की जरूरत पड़ेगी. तो plants को, animals को, human beings को, insects को, सबको जरूरत है what? For food and water. Okay? Next, last thing, what? Show emotions. All the living things show emotions. How? Like if something happens, you cry. Yes. Animals also cry. Yes. So we all show emotions. We get angry. गुस्सा आता है बहुत जल्दी. Yes. And you love your parents. You love one another. Yes. So we all show emotions and we all grow old. अपन बड़े होते हैं, old होते हैं, and then we die. So living things grow old and they die also. So these were all the characteristics of what? Of living things. So in this lesson, till now we have studied about living things and we have seen all the characteristics of living things. Okay. So in the next class, what we are going to study? We are going to proceed further and we are going to study about non-living things and their characteristics. Okay children? So till here, now you have understood what are living things? Yes. And now you have an idea. So now you can easily tell me what are non-living things. So in the next class, we are going to study about the non-living things. Okay? Have a good day.